Okay guys, so in this video I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how to create a Google site inside your Google Drive. So again, in your Drive, when you click on it, there will be a plus button right here. It said New. We're going to click on that. Then again, click on More if you don't see Google Sites right away. Then click on it. Once you open Google Sites, the template's going to show up, and of course there's a way that we can select a different templates. But first, up top here on the top left of your screen, just go here and change that to your first name and last name. So and of course I want your class period. I'm just going to randomly put in here, there's no 9 period, but okay, and then hit enter. So that right there, ladies and gentlemen, is going to help me later when I grade your assignments. All right, so we got that, and we're going to hit publish. There you go. That's your information. Hit publish twice. Now your web page is created, but I need you to share that with me. And my email address is right here, linh.vo. So you're going to see linh.vo@cfisd.net. You're going to share that with me. All right, my email address is there. And whoever else you want to share this with, like for example your parents, then share that with them as well. All right, I'm not going to share with myself because I created it. However, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys one more thing. When you share this with me, for example, I'm going to select someone else. If I share this with someone else, I need to make sure that that person is a viewer. I don't want that person to be able to edit my site, just a viewer. All right, so make sure that's something you change too. Once that person is a viewer, you can go ahead and send, and that will be done. All right. If you share with someone outside of Sci-Fair ISD, then that will say, do you want to share? Just share anywhere because you know who you want to share it with, right? All right. So here we are. We got it. Now, here is your insert. Here's your pages, and here's your theme. And the theme is where you can select to change things around. And you have preference on any of these, then select it. I have no ways of knowing what you like, but I have no way. I don't want to stop you guys from selecting what you like. So here, let's say I'm going to stay with this, and I can change it to green because I like that little green there. All right, let's go to pages. On my home tabs, I want to double click on it and change that to about me. All right. So to change something, you double click on it, it will highlight, and then you change it. In here, also change the your page title. This right here, I just highlighted. I would also change that to about me. And of course, if you want to, for example, select a different font, different size, and all of that stuff, whatever you want. All right, you can change those. All right, so there it is. Next, at the bottom of your screen, on the bottom right of your screen, you will see there's a plus sign. That will give you a new page if you click on it. And then I want you to create three more projects. That's one. The next one will be career investigation and plan. And the last one will be your 3D software, which is Autodesk Inventor. Now, for the people who are in my 7 period, you will do AutoCAD. All right, so 7 period, you are doing AutoCAD. The rest of you guys are doing Autodesk Inventor. All right, so that's different. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and get rid of something here. I delete that. I just want to make sure that you guys understand we got 4 things. All right, so the 3 dots, when you move to the next tab, you got that 3 dots. That will help you do things. You can hide it from navigations, like up here, you want to hide it from there. Now, I do not want you to hide it. You can add a sub page, like a page inside a page, and you can actually duplicate it, but this is something you don't want to do right now. And you can delete it, of course. All right, so I want projects underneath about me, and I want Autodesk underneath career investigation. So I click, I hold, and I drag, and I move it. That's how you do it. So about me, project, career investigation, and plan, Autodesk Inventor. So that right there, ladies and gentlemen, is all you have. click publish, and you will see on the right hand side is what you have on it earlier. On the left hand side is what you recently changed, and they ask you right here again is like, are you sure you want to do this? Yes, you are. So click publish. Okay, then now when I view it, when you already share with me your site. If you have not shared, you have to share it. So when you want to view it, you can go ahead and click on those, and you can see this is how you view it on the phone. Here's on a tablet, and here's on your laptop. Okay, all right, let's get back out. Now, if you have not shared with me, click on the human here on the plus side. Again, make sure that you share with me. All right, so you can share that with me. Again, if you have not done so. All right, now let's go to your About Me tab. In your About Me tab, whatever tab you want to work on, for example, we are working in About Me, then click Insert. Now in here you can insert a picture, you can do a text box, and you can do a link. It's up to you. All right, so if you want to upload an image, just click Image and Upload. I don't know if I have anything. Yes, I do. I'm gonna upload that right there. That's a picture, and I can drag it around. You can see, so you want to make sure that you can see things here. You don't want to got any corner of your picture got cut off or anything. So that is that. And then I want to do a text box. That's text box. I can drag it up here. That's where I want it to be. And I'm going to start writing. Now, remember, I want to make sure that you guys, let me go ahead and open my web page here, the one that I already create for the class, so that you can see. I want you guys to start working on your About Me tab, right? So for your About Me, just follow my templates here. Of course, I do not want you to do it in this section, because everything needs to be in paragraph. I put it in this way so that you guys can see the structures, to see what I want you guys to include in your About Me. So right now you should share anything that you want to share, that you want to share only. And of course, it's not, don't share your home address and stuff like that, things that privacy. So share what you want to share. Include in that the 5 things that you want to accomplish by the end of the year, as well as your learning style, which you did in class. For those who did not do that already, the learning style, it's right here on the website where it said, what is your learning style? Take the quiz, screenshot it at the end, and upload that onto your web page. All right. So here, where you're gonna start writing about yourself and include what you can. All right. So that, and when you're done with it, of course, go ahead and publish, so that you have it's safe. Your publish is like it's safe. If you don't publish it, I will not see it on my end to grade. So there you go, ladies and gentlemen. This is how you're going to start out doing the web page. And of course, I'm going to go ahead and jump it to the next step here. I want to insert for something, for example. What do I want to insert? I can go and insert a video, I guess. So I'm going to go to my YouTube channel and grab a video from my YouTube channel, and I'm going to put it in here. So insert a link to a video, to a PowerPoint, to a Google Doc, anything that you can get a link, right? Make sure that link is something that you want to share. So for example, I want to share this PowerPoint with this PDF with you. I'm going to left click on that. I'm going to click get link, and I want to make sure this link, I want to, for privacy, I want this link to be open only by Cypress Fairbank ISD, and I want them to be viewer. All right. So once you get that, copy the link, click done, and then you go to your web page, and then here you can paste this link. Now if I do it this way, you can see that it show up as the whole PowerPoint, and of course I can move this where I want to move this a little bit, right? So this is one way of insert something. It could be a video, a YouTube video, it could be a PDF, I just show you there. I'll hit publish here so you can see what I'm doing. So here, publish one more time, and let's preview this. Now, you can see what we just did is put this in this way, right? So I got a PDF in here and it show up like that. Now, if I go back the other way, I don't want to insert it that way. I can go ahead and go down here where it said button. I can insert this as a button and I can name it something. Example, let me see. All right, so whatever the name is, and then I get the link and I paste the link right here. Now I insert, it's gonna be a button instead, right? I'm gonna just leave it down here. I'm gonna publish and you will see this in a second. Now once it's done, everything that we just did is there still right there, the example, the thing that we just did. If I click on that now, it will take me to that PDF and I can see the whole PDF. So it depends on what you want to do. For example, a PowerPoint, you want to share a PowerPoint as a button. You may want to share your other information like the one I'm sharing on top. So it depends on what we are doing. All right. So that is one way of sharing information as a link. All right. So I think I'm going to stop this video right here and then I'll show you more information later for other projects. All right. Have fun.